Here I have VIVO Y36, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Record. So by holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. You can display touch trajectory, you can record sound, like you can record system sound, you can record microphone sound, or both. You can change image quality, and you can also enable do not disturb automatically when the recording is on. So you can either start recording by tapping here, or you can just tap on this button once, tap agree, then tap start screen recording, and as you can see, it's on. You can pause the recording by tapping on this button on the left. You can play it again by tapping on it once again, and when you're done recording, just tap on this button on the right, and after that recording will be saved to the gallery, to the photos, to the special screenshots section. And here it is. And as you can see, it's on. You can pause the recording by tapping on it once again. And from here, you can share, edit, delete your recording, or perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.